generic this thing, sir.
स्कूल है दी क्लास
This is vocational.
वोकेशनल लैब स्किल लैब
इसको स्किल कहो.
हाँ जी सर आज से मैं स्किल ही बोलूँगा ना ना
Sir, earlier this school having only one skill instructor, sir.
नमस्कार.
With the introduction of PMC, sir, now school having 3 job roles in 3 different skill sectors, sir. So one is the automotive, sir. Second one is IT, sir. Third one is the retail business, sir.
What is there in IT?
Hi sir, good morning. My name is Sri Jahnvi Priya. She is my project partner, Sai Kriti. Sir, actually ఈ యాప్ అనేది మేము పైథాన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ యూజ్ చేసి చేసాము. సో స్టూడెంట్స్కి అదర్ యాప్స్కి డైవర్ట్ అవ్వకుండా ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ వాట్సాప్ అదర్ యాప్స్కి డైవర్ట్ అవ్వకుండా మేబీ ఈ మధ్యన చాలా స్టూడెంట్స్ మొబైల్స్కి గట్టా అడిక్ట్ అవుతున్నారు కాబట్టి ఈ యాప్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఓన్లీ స్టడీస్కి తప్ప వేరే డిసడ్వాంటేజ్ ఉండదు.
సో మీరు తయారు చేశారు కదా
Yes, sir.
सर दे हैव बिल्ड दिस ऐप पाइथन लैंग्वेज यूज करके ऐप क्रिएट किया कि ओनली फॉर होमवर्क एंड पीरियोडिकल असेसमेंट एप्लीकेशन के लिए सो
सेल्फ असेसमेंट.
सेल्फ
यस सर, पीरियडिकल असेसमेंट्स.
वो बच्चे को रिमाइंडर देता रहता है कि उनका होमवर्क नहीं किया.
मैंने जो आपका मैंने फट से कहा कि आई एम
सही है
कन्वीनियंट माई इजी तेलुगु लैंग्वेज
मदर टंग ही
मदर टंग.
हाँ जी थैंक यू मैम
आपकी स्कूल में कितने हुई स्टैंडर्ड यू स्टडी?
सर 12th standard.
12.
Yes sir.
You are studying 2 languages. In 12th standard in
Up
Andhra
to
Pradesh.
10th 3 sir.
What are they? What are they?
Telugu, Hindi, English.
You know also Hindi.
Yes sir, they have Hindi
Kuncham,
up to
kuncham.
10th.
కొంచెం కొంచెం
थोड़ा थोड़ा.
थोड़ा थोड़ा अरे यार जी पूरे बोल
बहुत
दिया
बढ़िया, हाथ मिला.
थोड़ा थोड़ा
These are our student interns, sir, occasional. During the Dasara vacation and summer vacation, we used to send the kids to the internship programs, sir. The last summer, in recent summer, sir, they went to automobile industry and they learned how to fix the basic bike things.
ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళారు
Bike mechanic shop.
బైక్ మీద నేర్చుకున్నారా సో స్కిల్ అప్గ్రేడేషన్ సార్ వొకేషనల్ తీసేమన్నారు ఈ రోజు నుంచి ఇస్ ఇట్ కాలేజ్
कौन
స్కిల్
सी in which class you are studying?
12th standard. So we are implementing to grade 9 to 12.
In 12 you are yes 9 to 12. These are the focus area.
Sir. For 6 to 8, sir, pre-vocational, from last year only onwards, we have introduced 6 skills, sir, given by the NCERT. It's called Kaushal Board, sir. First time I took copyright from them and printed the book.
इसको how many districts you have?
So
28 sir
आप 28 into multiple skill sets सोचो.
Yes, sir.
कड़प्पा का स्किल सेट्स अलग होगी, वहाँ पत्थर का काम होगा.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Not generic.
पोस्टल में आओगे तो मछली का काम होगा. हमें जिले में जो कॉन्टेक्चुअल है ना,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
लोकलाइजेशन ऑफ द स्किल,
यस सर
हम इन्फॉर्म स्किल मत सिखाएं.
More, sir.
Sir,
ये सब मोर टुवर्ड्स इन्फॉर्म स्किल है.
Yes, sir.
नहीं, इसको श्रीनिवास जी आपको उनको सारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जो डाइट होगा ना, डाइट में वर्कशॉप लगाओ.
Yes, sir.
री इमेजिन योर डिस्ट्रिक्ट स्किल. What are the traditional skills? What are the present day challenges? What you? So Bhogapuram airport is coming.
Yes, sir.
At
Lot
least
of hospitality
100
services.
new kind of skill will be required.
सही सर
Ground people, hospitality
And
service.
if the locality will be equipped with this kind of skill,
पूरे बदल
self-employment
जाएगा.
will be convert.
सही है
Otherwise, someone will fill their vacuum.
सही है सर
Man from Andhra will come, Hyderabad will come.
सही है
My Odia people will come.
Yes, sir.
Local training
Lot
करना है.
of skilled
Done.
manpower.
Contextualize and localize the
Contextualize.
Yes, sir. So industry के साथ
Hospitality
2 meetings किया
department
था
में
सर
बहुत सारा
हमने
हम
to
ला
map the
सकते हैं.
things.
नहीं बट साहब जो बोला है ना बुक्स बोला है वी एन वी डिस्कस्ड इट बट विल टेक इन स्प्लिट व्हाट सर हैज सेड कि मैप द लोकल रिक्वायरमेंट क्रिएट स्किलिंग बेस्ड ऑन दैट
किसी लड़के को गाना अच्छा आता है, उसको कैसे गाने में अपस्किल कैसे होगा?
सही है सर
Skill is a by choice,
यस यस
by requirement and by choice, both.
बहुत डन सर एक मिनट सर बच्चे के साथ फोटो ले लेंगे सर आई नो
Photo please.
कम सर इधर आइए
स्कूल खुल गया यार. प्रिंसिपल मैडम, सब स्कूल खोला हुआ, स्कूल ओपन जून 12
हाँ, yes sir.
हो गया, 15 दिन हो गया.
हाँ, बस.
Working days 11, sir. We got 3 holidays.
It's a girls' school.
2 minute library, sir. It's a co-ed, sir.
So there is no
This is
boy.
a co-education. More number of girls.
Girls, sir.
अच्छा, really
Yes,
good.
sir.
And the enrollment 270 increase in the last 3 years, sir.
लास्ट फाइन गर्ल्स
Last final, sir.
मुझे शो सर फिर ऊपर क्लास हो जाएगी कर
सर
दिया
ये सभी भी PMC के मिला PL वाइज वो रैक्स
सर फंक्शनल लाइब्रेरी सर सिग्नेचर्स भी है कौन आ रहा है मैं पूछा प्रश्न इसके लिए रेस्पॉन्स
How many books you have?
So we are supplying these magazines to all PMC schools and KGBVs, sir. Young World, Reader's Digest, and these sports stars.
You give access to all these things in
digital
digital.
Digital. Yes, sir.
అది వన్ నేషన్ వన్ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ కింద వీళ్ళు అప్లై
So
कंपिटिटिव एग्जाम्स का
from last 2 years.
2 years నుంచి इधर स्टूडेंट्स बहुत पूछ रहे सर ये
career pathways also, sir. Whatever careers they can take up after 10
आपके स्कूल में काउंसलर भी होंगे?
है सर.
Mentor?
मैंने रेगुलरली नहीं हर सब स्कूल्स में 2 years के लिए आएंगे.
वनरा
In the Arabian Sea, small and made of coral,
सर बैठेंगे सर
larger,
1 minute time
forested,
changes.
and
Chip chip.
volcanic in origin.
आपको समरीज వీడియో बताया ना సార్ అమ్మ ఒక్క నిమిషం క్లిక్కర్స్ ने अंदर చేతుల్లో చేతులు పైకి చూపించండి हमने ये क्लिकर्स बनाया सर ओके ఇప్పుడు ప్లే చేయమ్మా सर 2 मिनट में आपको दिखाया अंदर చేతి కింద పెట్టారు आपको भी दे दे ప్లే చేయండి
Good morning, sir. This is Krishnaveni, working as PGD Commerce in this AP Model School, Goa. Today we are discussing the 9th class Geography second lesson, that is Physical Features of India, the introduction part. So let me give you the brief introduction of the major physical divisions of India. So it includes mainly the Himalayas, Indo-Gangetic Plain, Peninsula Plateau, the coastal plains, and the Indian Great Desert, and the last is the islands. So till now we have discussed about the summary videos. Actually we used to have this summary videos in the last year also. But this year we have got these clickers in the opening of the academic year. So we are following these clickers and the children find it interesting. So now we are going to start with this summary video of the physical features of India.
India's land is full of contrasts, towering snowy mountains, flat fertile plains, dry deserts, ancient plateaus, long coastlines, and even islands surrounded by seas. But these aren't just random features, they are part of a well-defined structure called the physiographic divisions of India. Let's go on a journey across India to explore how its land has been shaped over millions of years. Let's begin in the north, where the land seems to touch the sky. The Himalayan mountains are young and still growing. They stretch for about 2,000.
The Himalayas are the highest mountains of the world, and these stretch from 2,004 kilometers from the north to the east. This is the first typical division of the India.
1,400 kilometers from west to east. These mountains have 3 parallel ranges. Himadri, Greater Himalayas, home to India's highest peaks, including Kanchenjunga. Himachal, Middle Himalayas, where you find beautiful valleys like Kashmir and Kulu. Shivalik, Outer Himalayas, known for narrow valleys called dunes like Dehradun.
So here we understood the 3 parts of the Himalayas, that is Himachal, Himadri and the Shivaliks. And the world's highest mountain peaks are found in the Himachal Pradesh.
Himalayas protect us from cold Central Asian winds and are the birthplace of rivers like the Ganga and Brahmaputra. Coming down from the mountains, we enter the vast northern plains, formed by the deposits of the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. These plains are flat, fertile and perfect for agriculture. Divided into 3 parts. Punjab Plains, western section formed by the Indus and its tributaries. Ganga Plains, central and the most extensive part. Brahmaputra Plains lies to the east. These plains are also divided based on soil features into Bhabar, Terai, Bhangar and Khadar. Most of India's population lives here because of the fertile land and water availability. Now let's move south to the Peninsular Plateau.
So the second physical feature we get is Indo-Gangetic Plain, which is a formation of the Indus, Ganga River and the Brahmaputra. It is the fertile land of the India. Coming to the third division.
To India's oldest landmass. This region is full of hard, ancient rocks and is shaped like an uneven table. It has two main parts. Central Highlands, north of the Narmada River, includes the Malwa Plateau. Deccan Plateau, south of the Narmada, forming a triangle bounded by the Satpura, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. The Western Ghats are tall and steep, while the Eastern Ghats are lower and more spread out. Many rivers like Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri start here and flow eastwards. Now we travel west to the Indian desert, also
So
known
the
as
third one is we find is Peninsular Plateau. Peninsular Plateau where it is bounded by the west side is by the Western Ghats and east by the Eastern Ghats. And the most of the rivers that flow from the west to the east form the deltas in the eastern part of the country, which mainly includes the Godavari, Krishna rivers. We coming to the fourth physical division, that is the Thar
Thar
Desert.
Desert. Located in Rajasthan, this desert is dry, sandy, and receives less than 150 millimeters of rainfall each year. It has sand dunes and extreme temperatures. The Luni River is the only major river here, and even that doesn't flow throughout the year. It may look barren, but it's home to vibrant culture and beautiful architecture. Stretching along the edges of the plateau are the coastal plains. India has two. Western coastal plain, narrow, with short.
Coming to the fourth division is the Thar Desert, and the only river which find is the Luni River. And it is completely have an extreme climate. In the summer we have extreme climate, and in the winter it is too cold. So there is an extreme difference in the climate in the Thar Desert. Coming to the
River includes Konkan, Kannad and Malabar coasts. Eastern coastal plain, wider, with river deltas, includes northern Sirka and Coromandel coasts. Rivers like the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri form large deltas here. You'll also find Chilika Lake, India's largest saltwater lake along the eastern coast. Finally, let's head out into the sea to explore the islands of India. India has two main island groups. Lakshadweep Islands, in the Arabian Sea, small and made of coral. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, in the Bay of Bengal, larger, forested and volcanic in origin. These islands are rich in biodiversity and play an important role in trade, defense and tourism. Fun fact, Barren Island in the Andamans is home to India's only active volcano. From towering peaks to tropical islands, India's physical features are a blend of nature's creativity and ancient geography. Each region has its own climate, culture, and way of life, but together they make one incredible country. The land of India tells its own story through rocks, rivers, deserts, and forests. And now that you know this story, the map of India will never look the same again. See you in the next class.
Students, all of you be ready with the exam. For the quiz, we are conducting a small evaluation quiz, and all of you be ready with your clickers. So your first question is, which of the following is not one of the three parallel ranges of the Himalayan mountains? So Himalayan mountains which are not parallel to Himalayas, we have to find out the odd one. So are you ready? So the time we are having given 20 seconds. So everyone, I want spontaneous answers. Everyone has to participate. So are you ready? Children, make it up fast. Observe the time. Only 20 seconds you are being given. See why still 34 has not answered. Make it up fast. Okay. So the time is up. Now you can see it. Now who is this? Sanpala Kaushik. Who is this Sanpala Kaushik? Just stand up. So very good. He has done the. He got the first place. Okay. So all the children who attended this option is 65% of our class students have attended. Okay. Coming to the next question. So next question here. The northern plains of India are primarily formed by the deposits of which river? Okay. So are you ready? Next. The second question. Now see. So here is Koya Sagar. Who is this Koya Sagar? Yes. So has done the first place and the first place. Only 1 second here.
1 second. 1 second. 1 second. सर ऐसे पूरे समरी वीडियो बना के हाउ डू यू क्रिएट पैसिव लर्निंग टू एक्टिव लर्निंग? नेक्स्ट वन.
Which physiographic division is described as India's oldest landmass, composed of the hard, ancient rocks and uneven plains? The oldest mountains of India. What are the oldest mountains? So check the options. Come to your answer. So here you have the answer is first Danal Akhil, first place. So you know what is the answer? Here you can put the solution and see. Next question. The Indian desert, also known as the Thar Desert, is located in which state and is characterized by low rainfall and sand dunes? So in which part of our country, which state is having the Thar Desert? Okay. Here you got it. Again this Sanpal Kaushik. Very good. So see all the children who have done it. Next. The west coastal plains describes narrow and short rivers, while the eastern coastal plains are wider and categories. What feature? Take the options. The last question your answer is active volcanoes. So here again, Mangalgiri Raju. The first place. Who is that? Yes, very good. Okay.
River Delta.
After you submit, you will get the full analysis of the class. What the students who have done. So this is the analysis. Overall, the participation of the class is 55% of students have done the correct answers. Okay. And here some uncorrected 45 students. Overall participation of the class is 98%.
अम्मा ఇది ఈ ఇయర్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేశారు కదా? దిస్ ఇయర్ वी हैव स्टार्टेड सर. लास्ट ईयर हमने पूरे परचेज करके इस
कौन सी क्लास है ये? Which class?
विच क्लास है?
9th and 10th.
No, 9th. సరే చెప్తా. అలా చెప్పండి.
9th B.
కూర్చోండి, మీరు కూడా కూర్చోండి, రండి కూర్చో. 9th B. కూర్చోమ్మా, కూర్చో.
तो ये this is 9th B geography class.
Yes.
This is geography period.
हाँ जी सर, जियोग्राफी. కూర్చో. सुना सर.
So this is interesting. Yes sir. You like this model? Yes sir. Teacher is good.
Leader dashboard.
Huh?
ఏం పర్లేదులేమ్మా.
I have a question to all of you. You have taken breakfast here in school, in a home. Home. What breakfast you have today?
Sir, I eat dosa.
Dosa. Speaking loud.
I eat dosa.
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 So we'll take midday meal here. Huh? Sit. What's your name?
B. Chanakya, sir.
Shake your hand. Chanakya. You know who is Chanakya? Chanakya made whom? Why he is famous?
He's the
Huh? He is the king. King or kingmaker?
kingmaker.
Ah, congratulations. After a clue, you can speak. Thank you. Batao. In how many languages you are studying in the class? What are they? हिंदी समझ में आता है? आता है आपको? बोलो हिंदी में बोलो. बैठिए बैठिए विजय बैठो. आपको कोई विषय को मैडम अभी जियोग्राफी समझा रही थी. शी वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग जियोग्राफी. टेल मी in which language you are comfortable to understand the thing. Let me put my question. Hindi, English or Telugu? Understanding the thing. If you have any doubt, you are supposed to ask these doubts in home or not? To your parents? You are not asking anything to your parents? To your elders in school, home? Asking, na? Asking. You stand up. You. What's your name? Ram Prasad. If you have any doubt in classroom, you are going back to home, then you are asking those doubts to your parents or elder brother? Brother. In which language you are asking? English or Telugu? Both. Which language is comfortable? You get. In which language you are comfortable? Telugu. This is a question to my dear friend. Please, what's your experience?
Sir, when it comes to explanation, sir, terminology they will understand in English.
English,
The
right.
connecting sentences they wanted in Telugu. Like when they ask a doubt about plateau, they will say it as plateau only. And if it is a mountain, they will tell it as mountain. only, sir.
No, that's
In
fine.
between connecting sentences,
My
they want
my
to go
query
back in
is
other.
understanding. My query is not about the accustomed terminology. Understanding.
And that is
In which language you are comfortable to explain?
Actually, I am in English.
Not Telugu?
CBSE college.
CBSE.
हमने जो भी हमारा टेक्स्ट बुक्स है सर
ये bilingual.
बाइलिंगुअल सो वी आर कंटिन्यूइंग इट सर. हमने बाइलिंगुअल करा के वी आर डूइंग
ये सभी में टर्मिनोलॉजी
पहले इन्होंने इसमें QR कोड देके तेलुगु रखा था.
हाँ जी सर हमने तेलुगु
पुराने गवर्नमेंट आपने उसको पेज लाया.
पेज लाया.
इट्स बाइलिंगुअल बुक.
बाइलिंगुअल बुक्स सो जो भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है घर को जाने के बाद पढ़ना है अगर कंफर्टेबल है और दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड अ वर्ड दे कैन कंपेयर. ये इजी हो जाता है सर बच्चे को. इसलिए वी आर टू
even when teacher
Who is the chief minister of Andhra Pradesh? Not Nara Lokesh? Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ నాన్న బాయ్. బాగా చదవాలి. నా భవిష్యత్తు మీ బాధ్యత. బాయ్ నాన్న.
दिनेश, हमने भी ये क्लिकर कॉन्सेप्ट समझ लो. हमने भी पढ़ाई किया क्लिकर में. जियोग्राफी बुक उसको सोशल मीडिया में डालना. ये छोटा क्लास है.
yes, sir,
Our ICT budget, sir, recently we have established Chromebook laboratory, sir, in addition to the tab lab for the PAL users, sir. The first demo lab we can send.
क्रोम बुक से हाँ यार.
सर द रीज़न क्रोमबुक हमें डिप्लॉय किया था कि एक तो लाइफ बड़ी लॉन्ग है डिवाइसेस की 7 साल एवरेज चलते हैं. सिक्योरिटी वाइज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग और आप टीचर प्रोफाइल स्टूडेंट प्रोफाइल दोनों बना सकते हैं डिवाइस पे. सो देयर इज अ स्पेसिफिक वर्जन क्रिएटेड फॉर द टीचर्स एंड वन फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स. सो टीचर्स जब शेयर करेंगे उनको रीड ओनली एक्सेस मिलेगा बच्चों को, बट जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स या इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर की जाएगी दैट बी 100% एक्यूरेट एज पर द टीचर। टिपिकली AI में ये बहुत बड़ा इशू आता है, तो उसलिए क्रोम से ये प्री कॉन्फ़िगर्ड हमने किया है। लाइफ ऑफ द डिवाइस इज़ वेरी गुड, सिक्योरिटी इज़ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑन दिस डिवाइसेस। दैट वाज द
इंटेल का ही है,
हाँ जी, ये इंटेल का है। अंदर इंटेल का प्रोसेसर,
इंटेल का प्रोसेसर, HP का कंप्यूटर।
HP के डिवाइस है, OS हमारा है गूगल का,
गूगल क्रोम।
सो इट्स अ प्री कॉन्फ़िगर्ड डिवाइस।
And with
इंटेल का हार्डवेयर है,
इंटेल प्रोसेसर है, HP का पूरा हार्डवेयर है, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम गूगल का है।
गूगल का।
With AI.
With AI, so what I'm showing right now, Lokesh, is Notebook, which is the platform where teachers control what content students should have access to, and they can interact. For example, I've created a chemistry quiz here, and what I've done is I've only shared the video with the kids, not the overall thing. So this video will play, and the students can learn on how to engage with this video and things like that. So all those things are
Have you
created.
ever wondered what baking a person? You take raw ingredients like flour,
So this video is created completely by AI, and it takes about 3 to 5 minutes.
Who have curated this thing? Who has prompted this thing? Google.
Notebook 11 ने automatically create किया है।
No, my point of interpretation will be Gemini AI. Why don't you say Indian character?
हाँ वो इंडियन कैरेक्टर कर रहा है।
We will try it. We'll do it.
इसको
That's a good feedback.
कॉन्सेप्ट हो गया, इसको कॉन्टेक्स्ट को प्रोबिंग में
Good feedback, sir.
इंडियन कैरेक्टर।
Done, done, done. 100%.
एंड इंडियन इकोसिस्टम। वन
इंडियन इकोसिस्टम करके इंडियन एग्जांपल्स देके करते हैं।
गुप्ता मैडम। The boss is Ipsita Gupta.
We just implemented, sir. अब we want to tie this in into
So one Chromebook 5 students can use, sir. So we will rotate the lab, sir. Even we can take this lab to the classroom. So it's a automatic charging station there. So even we can move.
अच्छा।
We can set it the timing, how much charging I want, how many days I can put it. So auto cut is.
and lock and key भी डाल दे sir.
Lock and key is this.
So,
We rotate this
so every class can become a lab.
lab. It's a mobile lab. Sir.
అయిపోయిందా వండేసారా తల్లి
अंडा करी।
సంభాల్ కే సంభాల్ మెల్లిగా మెల్లిగా కంగారు పడద్దు తిప్పురా అన్న రైస్ రైస్
Rice अंडा करी।
రసం
Give me a cup. We'll have some rasam.
తీసుకో అన్న 2 కప్పులు పక్కకి కంగారు పక్కకి लोकल वो उत्तरप्रति सर्वोपरि डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रोजेक्ट करके रागी माल्ट भी दे रहे हैं बच्चे इन्नी रसम में मन साहब कुछ यूज है रेगुलर में चलूंगा बड़ी बात नन मर्చిపోయినా बहुत बढ़िया राइट इगो ఇది కొంచెం కొంచెం చాలు నేను వస్తున్నాం అన్నా చేశారా ముందు క్వాలిటీ బాగుంది అంటున్నారు ఘాటుగా ఉంది
మిరియాలు ధనియాలు జీలకర్ర అవన్నీ వేస్తాం సార్.
సార్ ఆల్ ద కాండిమెంట్స్ సార్ ఘాటుగా ఉంది నాకు బాయ్ నానా సో సార్ ఇద్దరు సే ఉంటా తల్లి థ్యాంక్ యూ నాన్న
Thank you.
ఉంటాను తల్లి నేను కంగారు వెళ్ళా ఓకేనా
Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ